Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video, I will talk to you all about rehabilitation science education in India. I will talk about qualities required for a candidate to join rehabilitation course, a degree, which are the options available in India, eligibility criteria for the course, entrance exams at the national level, and what professions one can pursue after finishing a degree in the rehabilitation science area in India. Coming to the quality check, first and foremost thing which is required is that the candidate should possess academic and people orientation. Second, the candidate should be good with basic sciences with affinity towards practical application. Because if you look at rehabilitation science, this profession or the course primarily focuses towards practical application of what one learns through various sciences. The child should have interest in life and life sciences, and yes, ability to spend long hours with books and or computers, not only during the study but also during the field work when one gets into the actual profession or practical application. The degrees which are available in India for the rehabilitation sciences include BPO, that is Bachelor of Prosthetics and Orthotics, BASLP, that is primarily known as Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, BRSC, that is Bachelor of Rehabilitation Science, Bachelor of Science in Special Education and Rehabilitation. Also, you have BA, BCom or BSc degrees available in Special Education under Rehabilitation category. The eligibility criteria for all these science oriented degrees shall remain 10+2 PCM, that is Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, or a PCB, Physics, Chemistry, Biology combination. For BA, BCom and BBA degrees in special education, the eligibility criteria shall be 10+2 with any stream. And some of the top entrance exams, as you can see, are AIOAT, AIISHET, West Bengal has a separate entrance exam, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth has a separate entrance exam, JIPMER Pondicherry has a separate exam, BASLP NET is another exam, IMAT is another national level entrance exam, then DSMNRU, P&O, NET, BPO, CET, these are some of the top entrance exams which one can appear for to get into rehabilitation sciences in India. And the professions which one can enjoy after finishing degree in any one of these areas could be becoming an audiologist, auditory therapist, child welfare specialist, clinical social worker, counselor, developmental therapist, mental health support worker, orthotist or a prosthetist, otologist, clinical psychologist, rehabilitation therapist, or a speech pathologist. Now, before I close, one thing which I would like to share with you is that a lot of special education degrees or diploma programs which are available in India require the candidate to be physically challenged himself or herself. So if you have any such disability or a special ability, you can get into any one of the diploma programs. I hope this gives you some clarity on rehabilitation science education in India. If you have any questions, please feel free to put your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT.